Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to disable Gutenberg in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is a block editor. So we are going to disable it using custom code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. So scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So we are going to add filter, use block editor for post, return fall. So scroll down, you see insert method auto insert, location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to add new page. Now refresh the page. Now you see classic editor back after adding custom code. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.